Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing everything that actually matters. Log into your account, confirm the correct game version and required DLC, then open the mission roster and pick Assault Runner. Once selected, choose a balanced loadout that matches your role, armor for tanking or mobility for flanking, and set difficulty one step above your comfort to practice. Make sure HUD markers and aim assist are enabled so you can focus on learning routes. Set voice or quick chat so teammates coordinate movements immediately. You move into the core run by following the optimized route shown on screen. Keep to cover and use sprint strafing between waypoints to reduce exposure. Once you reach objective triggers, activate them in the recommended sequence: breach, secure, extract, while monitoring timers so you don't bottleneck teammates. Use your abilities during known safe windows to maximize impact and call out enemy locations and flank timings to synchronize pushes. Doing this keeps tempo high and minimizes wasted respawns, which is you close the run by securing the extraction zone, signaling evac, and providing cover until the timer hits 0. Make sure everyone is inside before you move to the final approach. After extraction, review the run summary for deaths, time, and missed objectives so you can adjust your loadout and route next time. If things go wrong, lag, repeated failures, or a stuck trigger, reset game settings, reload the last checkpoint, or swap in a teammate with a complementary role to troubleshoot and stabilize the run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.